Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. So we need to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, right here we've got our both IMEI numbers for this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings that will be useful if you will, for example, forget about the secret code. So all you need to do is to open the settings. Right here you need to scroll all the way down to find About Device. And now let's scroll down and find the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.